Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be perfect of those of you that have great customer service skills, but you don't want to be talking on the phone. This is going to be a non-phone customer support type job. We're going to dive all into it. Just know the links to all the pages I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read reviews on the company or get that application in. Today's job lead is from the company Loom. They only have 76 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a CX or customer experience advocate. Now, this is remote for the United States only. Now, Loom is a video communication platform for work that helps companies communicate better at scale. So when I think of that, I think of something like Zoom or WebEx, where you can communicate, have meetings, collaborate with your teammates. But they are looking for somebody to be responsible for supporting and giving that customer support to their customers through email, through Zendesk, Slack, and social media. You're going to help the customers resolve any issues they encounter with the Loom platform and proactively help find ways to enhance their Loom experience. So you'll develop those customer relationships and promote retention and loyalty to using that. You'll help customers through email, Loom. Occasionally, you might have to do a live video Zoom call to ensure that they are successful in using the product. So if you're not able to help them through email and all of that, you may actually have to get on a video conferencing call with them. But the majority of this is going to be completely non-phone through those email and social media channels. You're going to troubleshoot the support inquiries for quickly identifying any issues and raise them to the relevant supervisors, the stakeholders. You'll escalate up any issues you can't solve. You'll actively monitor and engage with their additional support channels such as Slack and social media. Provide assistance wherever Loom customers and teammates are seeking help. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just 1 year experience working in some kind of customer service role, somebody who has experience delivering that excellent customer support. So you're known to go above and beyond for the customer. They do want somebody who has experience with Zendesk or equivalent platforms like Slack, someone who is a self-starter, and someone who has great time management skills. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay in the job description. Actual pay will need to be discussed at the time of the interview, but you know me, I did a little bit of digging to try to find at least some estimates on the salary for you, and this is Loom's salary page. It is linked in the YouTube description box as well, but if you scroll down, they have probably about 80 different job titles and salaries listed. They have multiple customer support roles listed. This one is listed anywhere between $49,000 and $53,000 a year. Customer experience advocate is from $47,000 to $51,000 a year. So, and then another customer support specialist is $50,000 to $54,000 a year. So on the low end, you can make it about $48,000 a year, and pay just goes up from there. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.